I'm here today after having toured with the State Secretary. We were able to see some of the homes that were repaired through the trust fund and also get some testimonies from those recipients, and also they indicated their gratefulness and thankfulness for the program in order for them to reintegrate back into their homes. We also had a tour of the landfill from a bird's eye view where we indicated some of the challenges that we face there. And I can definitely say that I felt the concern in terms of the support that we'll be getting and we are already receiving thus far. Of course, we know one of the main highlights of the entire discussion has always been the timeline and the time that it takes to get things done. Nevertheless, I must say, and I must also thank the team at the NRPB for all their efforts, and also the team at VROMI for all the collaboration and efforts they're putting in to make this project a reality. We had a lengthy meeting as well on the TDSR, and hopefully we were able to get that off the ground very soon. Eventually we went to get some testimonies from some business owners who were able to get support from the enterprise support project, and they gave their feedback on how the project was able to assist them in moving forward and increasing the quality of their way of life. I would like to encourage people of St. Maarten that are looking for opportunities to enhance their quality of life to sign up to the Enterprise Support Project, where you will be able to get a loan to start your own business or even continue with the business that you have, which a great part of this loan is a grant and the rest you would have to pay back. Nevertheless, I can see this adding to our economic development, and I hope that our people make perfect use of this opportunity.